Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'll be doing this beautiful butterfly. And I'll be using some UV resin and these products that you see before you. In this video, I'll be using J-Diction UV Resin, I do hope you'll stay with me as I go through the process of putting this beautiful butterfly into motion. Isn't she a beauty? And there's not only one side, there's two, but you'll have to wait for the end to see that. I know I promised you a purse, but it has been raining and pouring in Southern California. Actually, the whole coast has been really, really horrible. So I didn't want to mix up a lot of resin, so I decided to do something really small but packed a powerful punch. So please stay with me till the end and you'll see this double-sided butterfly come to life. Okay, so I'm going to be using the J-Diction Hard type on here because I will be using the UV light. I'm going to put this down. Just put down the tape, and I put a piece of Scotch tape to hold it down, and just flattening out my brass piece here to be sure that it's nice and flat so my UV resin can fit inside. And I'm using this just to mix in my little pieces because these are really small and I'm not going to need much to fill in the butterfly parts here. I know you must be saying, what is she doing now? So with this little leftover, I'm making these little dots. Remember those little dots we used to eat as kids? I'm making little dots, and I can use these as little embellishments later on. In my little projects. So just a little tidbit of information there. Just put them under your UV light and enjoy them at a later date. Little dots. It's a good thing. Now into the UV light we go. Okay, let's see what we got here. Whoops. Okay, these are nice and cured. Look how cute they are. Could use that on any little project. You know, it's a little waste, not to be wasteful. Save every little bit that we can. And leave that on there. This looks really pretty. I think I may want to do a top coat on top of this. I'm going to take it off right now and just, oh yeah, just to see how pretty that is. And I will slowly remove this. All right. So this is really pretty. Much UV resin there. And this is some I decided to do the back. Front came out beautiful. Check that out. You can take a moment of your time with some breaking news and special thanks to our members, Traveling Tramps, Lena Park Art, Art by Sparkle, and Simply Nanette, and our newest members, which were gifted by the Traveling Tramps. Welcome, and I do hope you will continue on with us. I decided to give the back a little UV resin with some velvet TLP. It has a little hint of baby blue, and I thought that would be a nice complement to the back. Here we go. Oh, this came really pretty too. Look at that. Sorry, I did it on the whole side. So as usual, nothing is ever easy with me. So I decide to fill the whole back of this butterfly with the TLP, and then of course I have to add some of that cut glass down the middle because it didn't look finished to me, and you will see the end result pretty soon. Cool. Okay. I have something nice double-sided. More little case you want to make that double-sided. Now we can make this, well, we're not going to make it a pin because we made a double-sided pendant. So we need to put our jump rings. I have 2 jump rings here and 2 different kinds of chains that we could put this on. But we're going to need to drill a hole through. So I have my little tool here. Okay, close that up. And I'm going to close that up. Here it is with one, and I will take a photo of that, and I'll give you a photo with it with both. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. All the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming. Much like the intricate process of bringing this jewelry piece to life, the blue butterfly teaches us that change can be a remarkable and beautiful journey. I hope this project inspires you to embrace the transformations in your own life with grace and optimism. Before we say our goodbyes, don't forget that all the products used in today's videos can be found down below in this video. And don't hesitate to flutter over to that subscribe button and join our creative community. At the end of this video, you're going to see all our members and those who gave our super thanks and gave out subscriptions to memberships last week. I thank each and every one of them, as I thank each and every one of my subscribers. I appreciate each of you, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this jewelry piece? This beautiful brass butterfly. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. We'll want to be sure that you're back to see us again. And hit that subscribe button for all our members. They'd love to have you. And don't forget, subscribe to each other. That's what this is all about. It's great having you. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Peace, harmony, and oneness. Till next time.